Secrets to a healthy heart. To live a long, healthy life, you must keep your cardiovascular system in top shape. If you have heart disease, clogged arteries, or high blood pressure, this video will help you immensely. Here I will give you a top recipe to keep your heart healthy, and it has only 3 ingredients. 1. Extra virgin olive oil, packed with antioxidants like polyphenols and vitamin E, reduces inflammation, lowers bad cholesterol, and boosts good cholesterol. It also improves blood flow and lowers blood pressure. The antioxidants in olive oil will help protect your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals by reducing that inflammation within those blood vessels. The quality extra virgin olive oil will lower your bad cholesterol as well as help raise your good cholesterol. It will help reduce those triglycerides to prevent plaquing within those arteries. Polyphenols in olive oil help relax the blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing hypertension, as well as helping the flexibility of the inner lining of those blood vessels. 2. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, reduce heart disease risk, support brain function, and improve digestion. They also help regulate insulin and glucose levels, providing lasting energy. Chia seeds are filled with soluble and insoluble fiber, but the soluble fiber doesn't get digested in our gut as we don't have the enzymes for it in our stomach. It makes its way to the large intestine as that soluble fiber works like a prebiotic, feeding the probiotics short-chain fatty acids, particularly butyrate butyrate is one of the greatest anti-inflammatories within our body. It helps protect the colon, reduces inflammation throughout our body as well as our blood vessels and heart. Chia seeds will make you more insulin sensitive, less insulin resistant. It will balance out your insulin glucose levels and give you lots of satiety where you won't overeat and you will be left with lots of energy. These seeds, when they're absorbed with fluid, can absorb the 12 times the amount. 3. Cayenne pepper lowers cholesterol, prevents plaque buildup, and enhances blood flow by thinning the blood and increasing nitric oxide. Cayenne pepper also prevents the buildup of plaque in the arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease and atherosclerosis. It has natural blood-thinning properties which help prevent the formation of blood clots. Cayenne pepper helps secrete nitric oxide within the blood vessels, causing opening up of the blood vessels and taking stress off the heart, lowering your blood pressure so your body can get better circulation. Let me share with you this powerful recipe with only 3 ingredients: chia seeds, extra virgin olive oil, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Recipe: mix chia seeds with extra virgin olive oil and a dash of cayenne pepper. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes, then consume it. This combination supports cardiovascular health, boosts metabolism, and offers numerous other health benefits I described in this video. Try this daily, especially before meals, and watch your health improve. Share this with your loved ones and embrace a healthier lifestyle together.